Oklahoma City, often simply referred to as OKC, is the capital and largest city of Oklahoma. Situated in the heart of the state, is a vibrant city offering a blend of rich history, cultural experiences, and modern attractions. Despite its numerous attractions and charms, Oklahoma City often flies under the radar compared to more widely recognized American cities. However, those who take the time to explore the city quickly discover why it is one of the most underrated cities in the United States. Whether you're exploring its museums, enjoying its entertainment districts, or engaging in outdoor activities, Oklahoma City promises a memorable experience for all its visitors. Here is a list of things to do in Oklahoma City. The Oklahoma City National Memorial and Museum honors the victims, survivors, and rescuers of the 1995 Oklahoma City bombing. The outdoor symbolic memorial features the field of empty chairs, each representing a life lost, with smaller chairs for children. The reflecting pool provides a place for contemplation. Inside the museum, visitors can explore interactive exhibits, watch documentary videos, and view artifacts related to the bombing and its aftermath. The experience is both somber and inspiring, offering a powerful reminder of the impact of violence and the strength of community. Next on our list is visiting Bricktown. Bricktown is Oklahoma City's bustling entertainment district, filled with restaurants, shops, and nightlife. Originally a warehouse district, Bricktown has been transformed into a lively area where visitors can enjoy a variety of activities. The Chickasaw Bricktown Ballpark is home to the Oklahoma City Dodgers, the AAA affiliate of the Los Angeles Dodgers, making it a great spot for baseball fans. Visitors can enjoy a leisurely stroll along the Bricktown Canal. It also features live music venues, bars, and a range of dining options from casual eateries to fine dining. The Bricktown Canal also offers scenic boat rides, providing a unique perspective of the district. Bricktown Water Taxi is a popular tourist attraction in Oklahoma City. It operates along the Bricktown Canal, offering scenic boat rides through the heart of downtown. The water taxi service allows visitors to enjoy views of Bricktown's vibrant entertainment district, which includes restaurants, shops, and nightlife venues. It's a relaxing way to explore the area and learn about its history and development. The water taxis are decorated in a distinctive style and provide a unique perspective on the city's urban landscape. A round trip takes about 40 minutes. For a taste of the Wild West, visit the National Cowboy and Western Heritage Museum. The museum houses an extensive collection of Western art, artifacts, and exhibits on cowboy culture, Native American history, and rodeos. Visitors can explore galleries showcasing works by renowned artists like Frederick Remington and Charles Russell. The museum also features historical exhibits, including authentic cowboy gear, Native American artifacts, and a replica of a frontier town. Outdoor gardens and sculptures add to the immersive experience, making it a must-see for anyone interested in the history and heritage of the American West. Located in downtown Oklahoma City, the Myriad Botanical Gardens is a 17-acre urban oasis. The gardens feature a variety of themed gardens, including a sensory garden, a children's garden, and a water stage. The centerpiece is the Crystal Bridge Tropical Conservatory, a cylindrical structure housing exotic plants, tropical waterfalls, and a sky bridge. With its lush landscapes and serene atmosphere, Myriad Botanical Gardens is a great spot for relaxation and recreation. Ideal for families, Science Museum Oklahoma offers hands-on exhibits and interactive displays covering various scientific fields. Highlights include the Tinkering Garage, where visitors can create and experiment, and the Planetarium, which offers educational and entertaining shows about the universe. The museum also features a range of permanent exhibits on topics such as aviation, space exploration, and physics. The Curiosity exhibit is designed specifically for young children, offering a series of imaginative, science-based play areas. Science Museum Oklahoma combines education with fun, making it a popular destination for kids and adults alike. The Oklahoma City Zoo and Botanical Garden is home to a diverse array of animals and beautiful gardens. Spanning 119 acres, the zoo features several habitats, including the Great Escape, which houses gorillas, chimpanzees, and orangutans, cat forests where big cats roam, and Sanctuary Asia, which includes elephants, rhinos, and red pandas. The zoo also offers special experiences like giraffe feedings, sea lion presentations, and behind-the-scenes tours. The Botanical Garden section enhances the zoo's natural beauty, with themed gardens and lush landscapes providing a tranquil setting for visitors. For those seeking outdoor adventure, Riversport Adventures in the Boathouse District offers a range of exciting activities. Visitors can enjoy kayaking, paddleboarding, and dragon boating on the Oklahoma River. The area also features a zip line, a sky trail, and an adventure course with climbing elements. They even have indoor ski slope. Riversport Rapids, a state-of-the-art whitewater rafting and kayaking facility, provides a thrilling experience for water sports enthusiasts. The district also hosts events and competitions, making it a hub for both amateur and professional athletes. It's a great place for thrill seekers and outdoor enthusiasts looking to challenge themselves and enjoy the great outdoors. Next on our list is Factory Obscura Mixtape. It is an immersive art experience located in Oklahoma City's Automobile Alley district. The Artist Collective creates interactive installations that blend art, technology, and storytelling. Each exhibit is designed to engage all the senses, inviting visitors to explore, touch, and interact with the art. Factory Obscura's installations are ever-changing, ensuring a unique experience with every visit. When we visited, they had 2 exhibits. One was permanent and one was temporary. We visited the permanent one and we all liked it. They give you a pair of glasses that enhances the experience. The 45 Infantry Division Museum is dedicated to the history of the 45th Infantry Division of the United States Army, also known as the Thunderbirds. The museum's exhibits include military artifacts, weapons, uniforms, and vehicles from various wars. The museum's outdoor park displays tanks, artillery, and aircraft, offering a comprehensive look at military history. The Oklahoma City Museum of Art, located in the heart of downtown, is a premier destination for art enthusiasts and cultural explorers. This vibrant institution offers an impressive collection of art, dynamic exhibitions, making it a cornerstone of the city's cultural scene. The museum's collection spans centuries and continents, featuring works from American and European artists, as well as a strong representation of contemporary art. One of the museum's most notable pieces is the extensive collection of glass sculptures by renowned artist Dale Chihuly. The Chihuly collection, housed in a dedicated gallery, is a breathtaking display of color, form, and light, drawing visitors from around the world. The Oklahoma Contemporary Arts Center is a hub for contemporary art and creativity. The center hosts rotating exhibits of modern art featuring works by local, national, and international artists. It also offers a variety of art classes, workshops, and public programs. The building itself is a work of art with striking architecture and outdoor sculptures. The admission is free to this museum. A unique museum dedicated to the study of bones and skeletons, the Museum of Osteology houses over 300 skeletons from various species around the world. The exhibits provide insight into the structure and function of the skeletal system, showcasing skeletons from animals as diverse as tiny rodents to massive whales. Interactive displays and detailed information help visitors understand anatomy, evolution, and adaptation. It's an intriguing and educational destination that provides a deep dive into the animal kingdom's diversity and biology. The Oklahoma Railway Museum is a captivating destination for history enthusiasts, train lovers, and families seeking an educational and enjoyable outing dedicated to preserving and showcasing the rich heritage of railroads in Oklahoma. The museum offers a unique glimpse into the history of rail transportation and its impact on the development of the region. The Oklahoma Railway Museum features a variety of historic locomotives, passenger cars, freight cars, and other railroad equipment. The museum offers regular train rides on select Saturdays throughout the year, providing a unique and nostalgic experience. Next on our list is Scissortail Park. Spanning 70 acres in the heart of downtown Oklahoma City, is a dynamic urban oasis offering a wealth of activities and green spaces for visitors of all ages. Visitors can enjoy picnics, engage in outdoor yoga, or simply relax in the lush surroundings. The Wheeler Ferris wheel, a standout attraction in the Wheeler district of Oklahoma City, offers a unique blend of history and modern charm. Originally located on the Santa Monica Pier in California, this iconic Ferris wheel was relocated to OKC in 2016. Standing at 100 feet tall, it provides breathtaking views of the downtown skyline and the Oklahoma River. The surrounding Wheeler district is a vibrant area with a variety of activities and amenities. Visitors can relax on hammocks, play outdoor games, take photos with OKC sign, or enjoy food from local food trucks. Take a tour of the Oklahoma State Capitol to learn about the state's government and history. The Capitol building is unique for its working oil wells on the grounds. Inside, you can admire beautiful murals, art, and the impressive dome. Oklahoma City is a dynamic destination with a mix of cultural, historical, and recreational attractions. Whether you're exploring its museums, enjoying its entertainment districts, or engaging in outdoor activities, OKC promises a memorable experience for all its visitors. If you think that we missed some great activity, let us know in the comments so other people know. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel if you like it.